channel, and in this video we'll be making DIY slime using 2 ingredients. So in this video we'll be using white glue, tacky glue. You can use Elmer's glue as well. I'm using this one. And we need laundry detergent. I'm using Tide Simply Clean and Fresh detergent for this. This is a very good detergent. And a bowl and a spoon to mix. Okay, so first we'll add a little amount of glue into the bowl. You can add the whole bottle of glue, but I'm just using a little bit of glue. Okay, let me just take it out. Now that we have added the required amount, we'll give this glue a little mix without adding anything. Now we'll add a little bit of detergent into the bowl, just a little bit, and then we'll just mix. We just have to mix this thing. Detergent and then just mix again. We'll keep adding detergent until the glue gets non-sticky and ready to be taken in the hands. Well, our slime is almost done, so let's just add a little more amount of detergent and take all the excess glue into the slime. So now our slime is ready to be taken in the hands, and at first it will be a bit sticky, but then it will be normal and we can just play with it.